Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring the tea each and every day. Now guys, today's tea is Gogo Maweni. We are talking about Gogo Maweni. So Gogo Maweni went back to court for a formal bail application because that other bail was denied. And then she is currently facing the charges of assault, GBV. These things happened back in 2019. Can you guys imagine? I guess it's true when they say icala aliboli, because this one azange libole, guys, azange libole at all. So Gogo Maweni is currently going through that, and it is so surprising because a lot of people thought she got arrested for what Dr. Skhotheni was saying, the murderers, but unfortunately that's not the case. And people were saying Gogo Skhotheni is happy that Gogo Maweni got arrested because vele bayalwa and stuff. But when you think about it, it's not even Gogo Skhotheni lana, because Gogo Skhotheni has never mentioned these things. Lezenje is ivela nje 2019. Sana kuningi sham kuningi. So she was finally granted a 5,000 rand bail this time around, and you could see from her face that she was so relieved, she was so happy. She even went to the river to cleanse nje ayobonga abaphansi, to thank them for protecting her, to thank them for the bail that was approved, because the first one was not approved. And I can only imagine what it feels like being in holding cells or prison or jail while you are known, like while you are a celebrity. I'm sure she went through the most, especially if you usually face a lot of hate on social media. People can be cruel, guys. People can be cruel, but yes, Gogo Maweni is currently back. She is even also back online. She started posting, she posted even these pictures. She went to the river to cleanse, to thank the ancestors for everything that they've done for her, protecting her while in prison and all of that. Not even prison, guys, and I don't think it was prison yet, but yes, guys, and then the people, Kesana, as they were blaming Gogo Skhotheni naye herself, she was celebrating ukuthi my friend is out of jail. My friend has been granted bail. Now I really don't know ukuthi abantu bamfunani Gogo Skhotheni. But guys, with those two people, I've learned to just mind my own business, because sana ngibonile ukuthi kahle kahle indaba zabantu abayi-two azingenwa, no matter the gender. No matter the gender, zisala nawe sana, and masezisele nawe, us as fans, people end up looking like fools because they were defending this other person, and then these two people decide to make peace. How kanti, then they reach a point of realization ukuthi iyasana kuningi. This is what was posted by Gogo Skhotheni after Gogo Maweni was granted bail, 5,000 bail to go home. I'm guessing that obviously they gave them another date to appear in court. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next